Welcome to AITV News. The federal government shutdown has entered its second day, and a looming healthcare crisis sits at the center of the stalemate. Unless Congress renews Enhanced Affordable Care Act subsidies, premiums are projected to soar an average of 114% when they expire on December 31, 2025. In the next few minutes, we'll unpack how we got here, who stands to lose the most, and what it could mean for household budgets and the broader health system. First, a quick rewind. In 2021, the American Rescue Plan temporarily boosted premium tax credits to help families weather the pandemic. The Inflation Reduction Act later extended those savings through 2025. The result has been dramatic. Enrollment in the ACA marketplace has more than doubled, from roughly 11 million to over 24 million people, and 22 of them now rely on the extra assistance. In Texas alone, 58% of enrollees pay less than $10 a month for coverage. That help disappears in 2026 unless Congress acts. For the average subsidized enrollee, the annual premium would jump from about $888 in 2025 to more than $1,900 the following year. Some examples make the numbers hit home. A 40-year-old in Amarillo, Texas, earning $23,000, could see premiums rise from $0 to $920 a year. A 60-year-old couple in Jacksonville, Florida, with an $85,000 income could face an annual increase of more than $21,000. The stakes explain why the subsidy extension has become the flashpoint in Washington. Democrats insist any funding bill must include a renewal, arguing that failure would trigger a nationwide care crisis. They also want to roll back more than $1 trillion in recent cuts to Medicaid and food assistance, which the Congressional Budget Office warns could leave 10 million additional people uninsured. Republicans counter that the subsidy debate should be handled separately. Some say they'll discuss it later in the year, but oppose tying it to reopening the government. They blame the shutdown on Democratic resistance to temporary funding measures and push back against claims that the policy changes benefit undocumented immigrants. Timing is critical. Open enrollment for 2026 ACA plans begins November 1st of next year, but insurers are already filing proposed rates. In Texas alone, some have requested average increases exceeding 20%, warning consumers of what could come if subsidies lapse. Who gets hit hardest? Low and middle-income families, small business owners, and farmers top the list. The CBO estimates roughly 4 million people would lose coverage outright. Up to 1.7 million of them could be in Texas alone. Hospitals are bracing for a surge in uncompensated care, especially in rural areas. And if healthier customers drop insurance because of higher costs, the risk pool could skew sicker, driving premiums up even further for everyone who remains. As the shutdown grinds on, the future affordability of health insurance for millions hangs in the balance. Whether lawmakers strike a deal or let the subsidies expire will shape not only household finances, but also the stability of the nation's healthcare system. AITV News will keep tracking the story. Stay tuned.